From humble bicycle motors to dominating roads and racetracks worldwide, this is the story of Honda, a name that redefined innovation in motion. In 1946, Soichiro Honda, a self-taught mechanic, started the Honda Technical Research Institute in post-war Japan. His mission? To help rebuild his country one motor at a time. He began by strapping surplus generator engines onto bicycles. It wasn't glamorous, but it was genius. By 1949, Honda had built its first true motorcycle, the Honda Dream D-Type. But Honda wasn't just building motorcycles. He had bigger dreams like beating the world at its own game. In 1959, Honda entered the Isle of Man TT, the toughest motorcycle race in the world. Critics laughed until they won. By the 1960s, Honda had become the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer. And Soichiro wasn't done. In 1963, Honda launched its first car, the T360 mini truck, followed by the S500 sports car, but it was the 1972 Honda Civic that changed everything. With the global oil crisis, fuel-efficient Japanese cars were in demand, and the Civic delivered clean, compact, and reliable. It helped Honda crack the American market. By the 1980s, Honda's Accord became the first foreign car built in the US, marking a turning point in the global auto industry. Throughout the 80s and 90s, Honda kept pushing boundaries. VTEC engines brought power and efficiency together. In Formula One, Honda engines powered teams to multiple world championships, and in 2000, they introduced Asimo, the world's most advanced humanoid robot. They weren't just a car company anymore. Honda took to the skies with the Honda Jet, experimented with hydrogen fuel cells, and now leads in hybrid and electric vehicle tech. Today, Honda is one of the largest automotive and motorcycle manufacturers in the world, with a presence in over 150 countries. From racing circuits to city streets, their machines blend reliability with innovation. Soichiro Honda once said, "Success represents 1% of your work, which results from the 99% that is called failure." That spirit still drives Honda today. From bicycle engines to electric dreams, the journey of Honda is one of passion, resilience, and relentless innovation. Hit that like button if you love Honda and subscribe for more legendary automotive stories.